was a quick, wet boy, diving too deep for coins. All of your streetlight eyes wide on my plastic toys. Then when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair, stole me a dog-eared map, called for you everywhere. Have I found you? Flightless bird, jealous, weeping, or lost you? American mouth, big pill, booming. Now I'm a fat house cat, nursing my sore blunt tongue, watching the warm poison rats curl through the white fence cracks, pissing on magazine photos, those fishing lures thrown in the cold and clean blood of Christ's mountain stream. Have I found you?